today's video, I'm going to show you how to file your taxes in Canada using TurboTax, an easy and efficient online tax filing platform. Whether it's your first time using TurboTax or you just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you get through the process smoothly. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's make tax filing stress-free. First, open your browser and go to the official TurboTax website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button. Click it. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account. It only takes a few minutes, and it's helpful because it allows you to save your progress along the way. After signing in, you'll land on the TurboTax dashboard. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This will make the rest of the process much easier. Look for the option labeled Review, Summary, or Start Filing and click it to begin. Next, you'll fill out your personal profile. TurboTax will prompt you to enter key details like your full name, date of birth, and your current address. Make sure everything is accurate, as mistakes in this section can delay your return. After completing your profile, you'll move on to reporting your income. Here, you'll need to input information such as wages, salary, and any other earnings from the past year. Gather all relevant documents ahead of time, like your T4 slips, to make this step faster. TurboTax will provide helpful suggestions along the way, so be sure to read them carefully. And that's it. This walkthrough covered the basic steps to get started filing your Canadian taxes using TurboTax. Following these tips will help ensure your return is accurate and complete. Don't forget to double-check your entries to avoid any issues down the road. Thank you for watching this video.